I have this beard balm here from Beard Club that was sent to me as a gift to review, and I've been using it for a few days and I really like it, honestly. You can see here, this is meant to promote a thicker looking beard. So as far as a thickening beard, I believe that it does take time, and you know, this isn't magic, so you can't just magically make your beard thicker, but I think it does, like it says here, promote a thicker looking beard, so it does make it seem more fuller. But then again, I think that takes time. So I just want to show you what it looks like. And it does smell, I love the smell. It smells really good. You see here it has the amber cedar. It smells just like that. And these are some of the ingredients that it has here. And here are the directions. It's pretty simple. You just rub a generous amount through your fingertips and rub it on your beard. And I've been, like I said, I've been using this for a few days, and I just love the smell of it, first of all. And it just feels like it hydrates and it conditions, and it like really softens your beard when you put it on there. Sometimes there are days where my beard gets kind of dry, or like my skin gets kind of dry, and you know, there's like flakes in my beard because of my dry skin. And I think this has really been helping with that, to keep that dryness away, and it just leaves it, like I said, like kind of hydrated, my skin hydrated, so it's not like dry or anything like that. But I really like it. It's 4 ounces here, you can see, so it's not that big, but it also depends on how big your beard is. I keep mine pretty short, just because it does take a lot to take care of it if you do have it long. And I think this would actually help you if you really have it long. But I still use it even though I have it short, just because, like I mentioned, the smell is really good, and it keeps my skin moisturized, and it keeps it from being dry.